Everyone's posting short videos these days. For social media, sharing with friends and family, personal branding, business content, you name it. Short form has become the dominant way people consume content, and the need for it keeps growing. Now, what if there was a tool that could transform one 60-minute video into 100 plus ready-to-share shorts automatically, even while you're sleeping? Meet SendShort. And today I'm breaking down how this tool is revolutionizing the way we create shorts. Welcome back to bitbiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. Join our community of AI enthusiasts with our free weekly newsletter. Click the link in the description below to subscribe. You will get the key AI news, tools, and learning resources to stay ahead. In this video, I'll show you exactly how SendShort's AI does the heavy lifting for you. From auto-generating viral clips to adding captions in 50 languages to scheduling everything across platforms automatically. By the end, you'll know whether this tool can save you those precious editing hours and help you 10x your content output. Let's dive in. Why this matters now? Short-form video is dominating with over 70 billion daily views across platforms. Even educators are seeing dramatic results. Breaking hour-long lectures into 2 to 5 minute clips shoots student attention and retention way up. But here's the problem. Editing hours of footage into dozens of shorts is time-consuming. That's where SendShort's AI changes everything. Core features that matter. SendShort is built around one principle: maximum impact with minimal effort. Here's what actually impressed me during testing. Upload your long video, podcast, tutorial, webinar, whatever, and SendShort's AI analyzes it, looking for the most engaging moments. It identifies sound bites, demonstrations, punchlines. Those moments where something interesting happens. Then hit one button and it generates 10, 20, even 100 plus clips automatically. You're multiplying your content while you grab coffee. Here's what surprised me most. SendShort creates completely faceless videos. The AI writes the script, generates images or animations, and synthesizes professional voiceover, all without you on camera. Perfect for tutorials, explainers, or privacy-focused creators. Every short comes with auto-generated captions at 97% accuracy. Customize fonts, colors, positioning, and add emoji reactions automatically. Those viral emoji subtitles you see everywhere? SendShort does that. Better yet, translate your captions instantly into over 50 languages. Create content once, reach audiences in Japan, Brazil, Germany, anywhere. Once your shorts are ready, schedule and auto-publish across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels from one dashboard. No more logging into 5 platforms. The platform also includes viral-style templates, automatic speaker zooming, AI-generated hooks, custom thumbnails, background music, and B-roll enhancements. It's a complete production studio. How it works in practice. The process is surprisingly simple. Upload your video by dragging and dropping, or pull in existing YouTube videos by pasting a link. Click Auto-Generate, and within minutes, multiple short clips appear, already trimmed and edited. The AI selects the most exciting parts while you sit back. Click any generated short to open the editor. Captions are already there. Edit text, change fonts, adjust colors, or add emoji reactions. Need Spanish subtitles? Hit Translate. Going from upload to scheduled publish takes less than 10 minutes, even when creating 20 shorts. In the Publish tab, link your social accounts once. Then choose clips, write titles, set publish times, and send to multiple platforms with one click. That's the efficiency we're talking about. SendShort versus the competition. You might be wondering how SendShort stacks up against other tools like Opus Clip, Vidyo.ai, and Pictory. I've tested them all, so let me break this down. With Opus Clip, you're limited to about 5 hours of processing per month, and their credit-based pricing gets confusing fast. SendShort lets you produce over 100 shorts monthly at a flat rate of around $15 to $20. But here's what really sets it apart. SendShort exports subtitle files separately, generates AI-powered hooks for your opening frames, creates custom thumbnails, and offers that faceless video creation feature. Opus simply doesn't have these capabilities. Now, Vidyo.ai, which recently rebranded as Quso, does auto-cut videos similarly to SendShort. But SendShort throws in AI voiceovers, custom thumbnails, and automatic zoom effects. The real game changer, though? SendShort creates faceless AI videos and content series automatically. Vidyo doesn't offer either of those features, which is huge if you're trying to scale a faceless channel. Then there's Pictory, which starts at $25 per month compared to Senshort's $20. SendShort clips long videos into over 100 shorts and translates captions into more than 50 languages, while Pictory only supports 29. Plus, SendShort adds those trending emoji subtitles and Gen Z-style hooks that are driving engagement right now. What becomes clear across all these comparisons is that SendShort offers a more comprehensive AI suite. It's genuinely a complete short video studio, not just a clipper. Who benefits most? Honestly, anyone who wants to share content in short form. Whether you're posting casually on social media, sharing clips with friends and family, or creating content for fun, SendShort makes it effortless. But it especially shines for educators. Upload hour-long lectures and instantly get concise clips highlighting key concepts. Research shows learners engage more with short, focused videos. Auto captions and translations reach international students with zero extra work. Tutorial creators highlight key steps from coding or science demos. AI-generated B-roll and text overlays make complex topics digestible while automating repetitive edits. Thought leaders and marketers extract quick tips from interviews, podcasts, and webinars. Short insights spread faster on social media. AI-generated hooks and thumbnails grab attention in crowded feeds. The core value across all uses: work smarter, not harder. Get polished shorts ready to publish in under an hour instead of 5. As one user said, SendShort is like having a video editor working 24/7 for only $19 a month. SendShort solves a real problem: transforming long-form content into viral-worthy shorts without spending your week editing. It combines automated clipping, intelligent captioning, faceless video creation, and multi-platform scheduling into one streamlined platform. For educators, marketers, creators, and really anyone wanting to scale their short-form content, SendShort maximizes reach while reclaiming hours of manual editing time. It is free to start, no credit card needed. I've dropped the link to SendShort in the description below if you want to give it a try. Upload a video and watch the AI work. Drop a comment below. Which feature are you most excited to try? The automated clipping, faceless videos, multi-language captions? If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching,